Hello everyone. Today I will start our new chapter 10, measurement. In this we will discuss different units of length which you have already learnt in your class 4 or 5 you are studying. Length, mass and capacity. Three things we are always measuring. Like if I am asking what is the length of this pencil, you will take a scale and measure the length. The weight of this pen, you will take away and weight it. Find its weight. Okay? It using weighing machine or something like that. Similarly, if I ask you how much ink is there in this pen, so you will take kilogram or gram to measure the weight or scale to measure the length or some other unit you will use. You will must use unit liter, either milliliter or liter. So basically you have studied three units. If you are measuring length, you are using the unit meter, that is standard unit of length. If you are measuring mass, means weight of anything, then you are using gram or the unit related to gram, some lesser than gram or greater than gram. Or if you are measuring capacity, means quantity of liquid, you are using the unit liter, maybe smaller unit milliliter or greater maybe, but you are using the standard unit for this is liter. So length of a pen, you are using the unit meter, kilometer or centimeter. Which unit you will use? Obviously you will not like to use kilometer, because you know that you are using kilometer to measure longer distance. When you are going out of station or when you are going to market, your school, then you are measuring the distance between your school or home or your grandmother's home and your home using kilometer. But for measuring the length of this pen, you will not use kilometer, but you need a smaller unit. So always we are not measuring only one type of length or only one type of weight. Sometimes we have to measure the weight of elephant, or sometimes we have to measure the weight of an ant. So accordingly we are trying to find different units to measure the length. So once again I am repeating, the basic things which we are measuring are length, mass and capacity. Their standard unit is meter, length meter, mass gram and capacity liter. Capacity is used to measure the quantity of liquid in anything, or in your cold drink, or the weight of your mother, father, your copy, your toy, okay, your cycle, whatever is there, you are measuring its weight, that how heavy it is. And length, distance. Length is actually distance. So using length we are measuring distance. So these are the basic things. Now I told you that only by using gram or meter or liter we cannot measure every length or every mass or every quantity of, or every capacity, every capacity. So we need sometimes smaller units, sometimes greater units. So standard we all have understood that meter, gram and liter are there for different things. Okay. So we have tried to use prefixes kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi and milli. These are the only prefixes you have to keep in your mind. Means you have to remember this, that from greater to lower we are moving using the units kilo, hecto, deca, then standard unit deci, centi, milli. Now what is the standard unit of length? The standard unit of length is meter. So if we have meter, the greater to meter is 10 times greater to meter is deca meter. This is the short form of decameter. 10 times greater than decameter is hectometer. And 10 times greater than hectometer is kilometer. Similarly, from meter to lower unit we are coming. Meter to deci, we are coming to the lower unit. So we are dividing meter by 10. 10 times each unit is decreasing. So it is decimeter. See the difference between deca and deci in short form. Deca we are writing DAM and deci we are writing DM. So keep in your mind when you are writing short form of units. If for deca you have to use DAM and for deci you have to use DM. Now for centimeter is 100 times lesser than meter. So you will write CM for centimeter and for millimeter MM. So standard unit is here. Similarly, if you are measuring mass, so your standard is gram. So you will write decagram, hectogram, kilogram. Okay. Next, here it is decigram, centigram and milligram. And for liter it will be deca, liter, hecto, liter, kilo, liter, deci, liter, centi, liter, milliliter. So what actually we are doing? We are just using these prefixes before the standard unit. We are using these prefixes before the standard unit for all the units of measurement, including length, mass and capacity. Including length, mass and capacity. So this you have to keep in your mind, and then in my next video I will explain you separately how we will convert measurement of length, measurement of mass and measurement of capacity into smaller unit or greater unit. Okay? Thank you.